Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson, that is new kings and kingdoms. About the kings and their kingdoms and all we are going to learn in this lesson. Many new dynasties emerged after the 7th century. Map 1 shows the major ruling dynasties in different parts of the subcontinent between the 7th and the 12th centuries. So here, what is this? Many new dynasties in the sense, suppose a ruler is there, is very powerful. From his forefathers, the same family will be ruling for many years. A king family will be ruling the place from forefathers, that is dynasty. Many new dynasties emerged in the sense started, existed after 7th century. So after 7th century, many new kingdoms or many new dynasties came in sense. Like you can see in map 1 which I have posted here, show the major ruling. So this map shows the major ruling dynasties in different parts of subcontinents. In India subcontinent, there are different types of dynasties which emerged. You can see in the picture there, between the 17th and 12th century. So between 7th and 12th century, many new dynasties, like king who will be ruling for many years from his forefathers, like grandfather to father, father to son, son to grandson, grandson to great grandson, like that many years. A king's family, one king family who is very powerful, they'll be ruling, that is dynasty. The emergence of new dynasties. By the 7th century, there are many influential landlords or warrior chiefs in different regions or subcontinents. So in different regions or subcontinents, there are many landlords who are very powerful, and warrior chiefs who are there. Landlords or warrior chiefs who are there, they were very powerful in 7th century. So they are very influential, they are very powerful, they are very good at their work. So they are very powerful, were very influential. What happened? Existing kings often acknowledged them as their subordinates or samantas. So the kings who are there, who were present at that time, were ruling at that time, they used to call or they used to recognize these landlords or warrior chiefs as samantas. Means they are given a name called samantas. They were expected to bring gifts for their kings or overlords, be present at their courts and provide them with military support. So these samantas, that is landlords or warrior chiefs, were called as samantas by kings, right? So these samantas used to bring gifts for the kings. So they used to get new gifts, or if they want to give their military support, they used to go to king and they used to give their military support to king for fighting the war and all. As samantas gained power and wealth, so slowly what happened, like support, the samantas, they became powerful, they are landlords, they have lot of land, they are giving support to king by giving military support and all, or presenting gifts to him, gifts to king. These people are giving gifts to kings, right? Now they became very close to king. Slowly they gained power, means they got some position, that power and wealth, they became more rich and more powerful. They declared themselves to be Mahasamanta. So before king used to recognize them or call them as samantas, but now as they became more powerful and more wealth is being added to their, means they got more money and more powerful, good position they got. Now they themselves are telling that they are Mahasamantas, we are great, like that. Mahamandaleshwar, the great lord of a circle or region. So they are calling themselves as Mahasamantas and Mandaleshwar. So Mahamandaleshwar in the sense, like we are great lord, we are equal to great god of this region. They themselves, they are telling like that, and so on. Sometimes they asserted their independence from their overlords. So they are telling that sometimes they used to asserted their independence from their overlords, means they used to get their independence, or they used to take away the others like freedom and all. Due to this power they used to misuse and they used to take away. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.